Hi everyone, good morning. This is Pons, Bilyarista ni Bossing vlog. I also use my personal account sa akong mga reels. But this time, naami karon sa Carmel, nga ri sa Ormoc City. So nice here guys. Oh, look at this. We just pass it in these stairs. And then amo gibili na mga motor nga sa ubos. Me and my wife and my younger son is with me right now, ha. Ang adios sa mi kay uwan taligsik pa. So nindot nga rin siya kayong kuan siya ang iyahang mga kuan view. So pwede rin sa tumakangari sa kuan sa mga kilid-kilid na sila yung mga hagdanan para ma kuan. So me, my wife, and my younger son. So siguro after this one, we'll be visiting there. Not yet, wala pa si father. So nice here, so refreshing. So if you want to visit here, libre lang. So we stay here for a while because it's raining. Also, just a little pour of rain. It's so nice here, so refreshing. So I want to shout out my followers, my subscribers. Hope you're in. Wait, I have to set up first my tripod because I really hardly take a that one. So nice. Okay. Oh, me and my wife here. So nice. So we finished already attending mass, and right now we just stay here, relaxing, thinking about all my debts. Thinking all our debts, how to pay, and hope to little by little mabayaran namin yung mga utang namin. So for this vlog guys, we don't ask money. We just ask you to like, share, and don't forget to subscribe also for the new subscribers and followers. So nice here guys, so nice here. Dito malamig, maganda yung hangin. Oh, nagsisimula na pala yung mass because father is here right now.
Ang magmisa dito sa tuloy na to ang
So 100 meters from here makikita natin yung yeah, doon sila doon yung mass right now, but we finished already attending mass, so we just stay here and relax, just listen to the word of God here and feel the freshness. Okay. Ito kasi yung wife ko pag Sunday kasi we are going outside the comfort zone. Ibig sabihin we don't stay usually in the house, we go out together with this little boy here, Lucas Mateo. So we're happy to be here right now because we really talked last night to visit this place and to attend mass also. So yun. Excuse me guys, I have got just a little. So itutour namin kayo dito pag hindi na masyadong malakas ang bukso ng ulan. Share nyo pala guys ha. Tapos sa hindi pa nakapag-subscribe, subscribe nyo na.
Ano ang nasa loob sa?
Tignan niyo kita sa paligid eh. So, I'll show you the paligid. Ganda-ganda diba? Pine trees mo siya. What trees is mga pine tree? Pine tree ito eh. So right now, I'll be holding my tripod. And then, I'll be walk around there. There's a little. Itutour ko kayo sa magagandang lugar dito guys. Yan. Kasi pwede rin dito kasi meron silang sale na candle. May candle sila dito here. May candle. Wow, ganda dito. Ang lamig-lamig. So cold here. I feel the freshness. Here. Freshness. Gusto kami magmas. Meron din silang CR dito guys. So mga magsi-CR, meron silang CR dito. So nice talaga here guys. So hoping to have, pero ulan kasi. So we'll be back there soon. Balikan natin dito.